Hi, I'm Moses, and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How To Anything. So when it comes to concrete surfaces like driveways and patios, there can be a lot of foot and tire traffic that over time can really rough up the surface. So today I'm going to show you how to prep, clean, and stain your old exterior concrete. Come on, let's get started. So this is the driveway that we'll be staining today. It's in pretty good condition, but as you can see, there is some wear and tear. So a fresh new color would look great on this concrete. But first we'll start by clearing up all dirt and debris, and we'll do that with this leaf blower. So now that we've cleared our concrete of all dirt and debris, the next thing we want to do is clean our concrete of any grease and grime. And to do that, I picked up this power washer from Lowe's, and we'll start with this concrete cleaner. And because this project requires so much drying time, it'd be a good idea to check your local weather before getting started. So now that we've finished soaking our concrete, it's time to power wash. And quick tip, when using the power sprayer, don't over concentrate on any one particular area, because remember, this is abrasive and it will damage your concrete. The idea is to mainly remove grease and grime because the stain will cover the rest. For our power sprayer, I'm starting off with a 45-degree nozzle for a wider and less concentrated spray. However, if I needed a more intense stream, I can always switch to a 15-degree nozzle. The more narrow your nozzle, the more intense your water will be. We're all done power washing. But remember, this concrete needs to be completely dry before staining or sealing. Also remember, concrete holds moisture, so we want to give it a few days to dry. So we'll be back in a few days to start staining. We're back, and our concrete is completely dry and already looking better. Now would be a good time to look around for any small cracks or holes and fill them in with concrete patch. So it's finally time to stain our concrete. Now when it comes to stain, you have acid-based stain and water-based stain. Acid-based stain is higher concentrated and give deeper color saturation, whereas water-based stain is easier to work with and easier to clean up. For this project, we chose water-based stain because it is more DIY friendly. And like painting, we want to tape and cover our entire work perimeter because we don't want stain on anything except the concrete. When it comes to stain, you should always check the manufacturer's instructions for proper coverage, application, and drying time. So today we'll be using a stain by Valspar, which is great for patios and driveways. And as you can see, it offers all-weather protection, which is exactly what we need. And if you're ever unsure about the color or texture of a stain or paint, you can always test it on a piece of cardboard or a small corner first before beginning your project. Now, I started from the bottom of my driveway and I'm working my way up to the top. It's not so important of where you start as much as have some type of pattern or procedure that you're using to ensure full, even coverage. Wow, this stain looks so good. This driveway is gonna look better than new. For corners and edges, you'll want to use a brush instead of a roller, because a brush gives you much more precision and control. We're finally done staining the concrete, and now we'll wait a few hours to let it dry, and we'll see if any touch-ups are necessary. My stain is finally dry, but now I'm just going over any areas that may need a little touch-up. We're totally done with staining, and now we'll give it 24 hours to dry, and then we'll come back to apply our sealer. We're back, and now it's time to apply our sealer. Now this is a very important step because the sealer is where most of your protection comes from. You want to protect your cement from things like water, UV rays, and debris. And unlike our stain, our sealer is thin enough where we can use it in a sprayer bottle and get a nice even coat. So come on, let's get started applying our sealer. Our sealer is applied and dried, and our concrete driveway has never looked better. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can buy everything you need to stain your concrete at your nearest Lowe's or Lowes.com. And if in the store and you need any help, feel free to ask one of our Lowe's Red Vest associates. They'll be happy to assist you. Like and subscribe. And while you're at it, please feel free to leave us a comment down below and let us know what you'd like to see on the next Lowe's How To Anything.